The most popular type of content on LinkedIn right now is the multi-image post. And I want to show you some examples of this. This has taken place of the carousel post, which was when we uploaded document posts with sliding screens. Now, the most popular type of content is the multi-image post. Here's an example of a multi-image post here on LinkedIn. The reason that these work, so we click on one image and we click across to see the rest of the images, and they're related to the post that Amanda has created here. These work because every single time you're clicking through those posts, it counts as an engagement by LinkedIn. So that is called a multi-image post. And let me just show you, and we'll just scroll down through the posts to see there's another multi-image post. It has 985 impressions. So there are, let's see, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 images on that post. There are also some people tagged in that post. That's from an event, so that's an easy multi-image post to be able to create. We have 985 impressions. If we look at the analytics on this post, down here you can see 486 unique views, 48 reactions, which is amazing, 29 comments, and then the demographics of the people who are actually looking at the post. So how do you create a multi-image post? Let's scroll to the top of our newsfeed and we're clicking on media. So you click on media and then you start to upload your images. So I'm just going to pick some random images here because we're just doing this as an example. So we click open on the image and you will see over here, just move the little window here, that you have 3 images here, and on here you can click to decide which order you want the images to go in, which is quite cool. So you don't have to worry about what order you upload them in. And then you can go down here and you can edit your image. So you can change the size of it. Original, square, 4:1, 3:4, 16:9. You can filter your image and you can adjust the image. There's lots more features on LinkedIn than we used to have. And then if we pick on this image, so we could tag somebody who may be appearing in this image. I can actually tag number 10 Downing Street. So funny. I've added some alt text and then I just click add on that, and you go through that for all of your images. Then if you want to add more images, just click on the add button here and we can add another one. Let's see if there's another image we could add in here for our example. We're just picking, we're not actually posting this. There's another one there, more people to tag, of course. Duplicate the image. Why would you do that? I'm not 100% sure. Possibly you would want to edit some of the people in the image. Delete that one out because we only want to have the 3 images. And then you click next. And then of course you write your post. So this is what this is going to show up as. You always have the first image down the left hand side as a block, and then the other images show up on the right hand side. So you would write your post about this series of images, and then you would click post and it would go out onto LinkedIn as a multi-image post. If you are looking for help with LinkedIn, do check out our LinkedIn course, which is only $99. It's in the description down below, and subscribe to the channel. Looking forward to sharing more content with you on what to do and what's working on LinkedIn.